Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this amazing product that I bought online. It's a self-watering plant pot that has a modern design and a durable material. It's perfect for indoor plants and it's very easy to use. It comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. I purchased all the sizes for me to have variation, but you can choose whatever you like. The best thing about this product is that it has a self-watering system that keeps your plants hydrated. You don't have to worry about overwatering or underwatering your plants anymore. You just have to fill the water reservoir at the bottom of the pot, and the water will be absorbed by the soil through a cotton rope. This way, your plants will get the right amount of water they need, and they will grow healthier and happier. You can also see the water level through a transparent window at the bottom of the pot, so you know when to refill it. Another great thing about this product is that it has a modern design that looks very minimalistic and elegant. It has a smooth surface and a round shape that fits any space. The material of the pot is also very durable and eco-friendly. It's made of high-quality plastic that is resistant to cracking, fading, and deformation. It's also lightweight and easy to move around. I really love this product because it makes my life easier and plants happier. It's also very affordable and worth every penny. If you're interested in buying this product, you can check out the shop link in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you find it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.